Hey guys, welcome to EIKV. In this illustration, your company has to make US dollar rupees 1 million, US dollar 1 million payment in 3 months time. The dollar are available now. You decide to invest them for 3 months and you are given the following information. Number one, the US deposit rate is 8% per annum. The sterling deposit rate is 10% per annum. The spot exchange rate is 1.8 per pound. The 3 month forward rate is 1.78 per pound. And you are required, number one, where should your company invest for better result? Number two, assuming that the interest rate and the spot exchange rate remains as above, what forward rate would yield on equilibrium situation? Number three, assuming that the US interest rate and the spot and forward rate remaining as in the original question, where would you invest if the sterling deposit rate were 14% per annum? Number four, with the original stated spot and forward rate and the same dollar deposit rate, what is the equilibrium sterling deposit rate? So going ahead with the solution, first question is, where should your company invest? So investment for better results, it would be, since the US dollar are available now, the amount can be invested in US deposit at 8% per annum, converting into sterling currency at the spot price, and the investment in UK deposit. So we need to check both alternatives. So first of all, we are going ahead with the computation of net amount receivable by investing 1 million in US dollars at rupees 8% per annum for 3 months. It would be $20,000. That means 1 million into 8% divided by 100 into 3 months divided by 12, which gives you 20,000. And second alternative, it would be when it is converted into pound, and when it and deposit the same with the interest rate of pound, or interest rate of pound, and we'll see how much amount it will be. So the convert dollar into pound for spot rate. So if you convert, the spot rate would be 1 million divided by 1.8, which gives you 5,55,555, and then invest such amount in sterling deposit rate, which will be 10%. And when we deposit such amount, that is 5,55,555, 56 into 10% will give you an total amount of 5,69,445. So here we have given the amount in pound, and our above we have given in dollars. So one currency should be converted, so it is better to convert the pound into US dollar. So amount earned in USD or US pound will be the amount which we have already, the principal amount plus interest, that is 5,69,403 multiplied by 1.78. So it will be 10,13,612 US dollar. Therefore the gain would be 10 lakh 13,612 minus 10 lakh, which gives you an excess amount of 13,602. So while comparing these two figures, we can find that it is better to invest in USD rather than investing in GBP or pound. So gain in alternative one is higher. The company should invest in US deposit. Now the equilibrium forward price for 3 months period. So the equilibrium, for the computation of equilibrium forward price, we have spot price. So the spot rate, the formula would be spot rate into 1 plus the interest rate of USD divided by 1 plus the sterling interest rate of 3 months. So it would be like 1.8 into 1 plus 8 divided by 4 and 1 plus 10 divided by 4, which gives you 1.7912 per pound. So investment, if sterling deposit rate is 14%, so we'll get an equilibrium price or the equilibrium forward rate will be 1.7914. Now the investment in sterling deposit rate of 14%. Next requirement. So the amount invested in sterling deposit would be 5,55,556, which we have computed from the above table, and then the interest income of rupees 40% for 3 months, it would be 5,55,556 multiplied by 14% into 3 by 12, which gives you 19,444. So the total cash inflow at the end of the third month, which would be 5,55,556 plus 19,442, will give you 5,75,000 when we take the round figure. So the amount earned in US dollar, it would be the amount received, which is 5,75,000 multiplied by 1.78, the forward rate. So it will be 10,23,500. So when we check this figure, the total gain would be 10,23,500 minus 10 lakh, which will be 23,500. So equilibrium sterling deposit rate, France interest rate, which is 6 months. So this is the next question. So the answer for next question, which is the fourth one. So equilibrium sterling deposit rate, that is France interest rate of 6 months, assuming sterling interest rate equals X, then applying the same in interest rate parity theorem formula for determining the forward rate. So here we have the interest rate parity theorem, therefore the equilibrium forward rate would be 1 pound equal to 1.8 into 1 plus 8% divided by 4 divided by 1 plus X divided by 4. So when we substitute the figures in this formula, that this formula is regarding the interest rate parity theorem. So the interest rate parity theorem will be spot into 1 plus interest rate of home currency divided by 1 plus interest rate of foreign currency after considering the time period. So the figure of equilibrium price would be 12.58%. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. Thank you.